Hey guys, Alicia No Keys here with a braided bang and bun tutorial sponsored by Dollar General. So let's jump right into the tutorial. I am starting on crazy tangled dirty hair, so of course the first thing that we have to do is wash, and we are using the Main Choice Core Collection found at Dollar General. So everything that I'm using today you can see here. We also have some braiding hair that I'm excited about that we also got from Dollar General. So first we're going to start with the Easy on the Curls shampoo. I love this shampoo because it's sort of like a detangling shampoo. So you want to make sure that you wash your hair really well. Get that scalp honey. Then we're going to move on to the Easy on the Curls conditioner. I love this conditioner because it has a lot of slip and it makes it very easy to detangle your hair. So I'm going to apply a pretty good amount of detangling conditioner, and then I'm going to use that pink comb, which I did buy from Dollar General, and I'm going to detangle and then twist my hair up, pop on a plastic cap, or in this case a Dollar General shopping bag. I love using their shopping bags for conditioning, and we're going to condition for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after we rinse out our conditioner, we're going to throw in the 3-in-1 co-wash leave-in. Super versatile product, and by the way guys, this whole collection is extremely affordable at Dollar General. I think the most expensive product I bought was maybe $7. So after that, we're going to put a little heat to our hair and blow it out just a little bit. Alright, so we're going to pile our hair on top of our head. And next we're going to twist our hair, or basically any way that you can get your hair into the most compact bun that you can. My hair is really thick, so this is the best way for me to do it. I basically tightly twist my hair, and then I twist all of that on top of my head. But if you don't have as much hair as I have, you may not have to go through all of this. So basically just make the smallest bun you can make. So next we're going to use the Crystal Orchid gel, and we're going to slick down our edges and the sides of our hair and just make the ponytail look nice and slick. I did tie my hair down off camera for about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that I didn't have any flyaways and to make sure that my edges stayed down. So now on to the braiding hair. Yes, Dollar General has braiding hair. So I think I used 3 packs, and I probably could have gotten away with 4, but the 3 packs worked. So basically we're going to take that braiding hair and we are going to apply some movie magic, and bam, we have ourselves a braid. So we are actually going to have 2 braids. So one braid is going to be our bang, and the other braid is going to be our bun. So the easiest way that I braid this is I usually attach it to a door handle, and then I just braid the hair as normal. So just a little tidbit right there. So then you're going to pin that first braid down in the front, and then you're going to swoop it around and pin it in the back, and pretty much just pin as much as you need to make sure that your braids do not move anywhere. So once you get that braid to your liking, we're going to attach the second braid, and we're going to wrap that around our bun. If you could make your braid a little longer than mine, it might be a little bit easier for you to wrap it around, but this worked out. So just be kind of mindful that you do need to make sure that you can wrap it around at least twice. And we're going to just kind of pull at it and spread it out to make sure that we are covering our base bun, and then we're going to pin it into place wherever we feel the need, because honey, we don't want our braid to go anywhere. So now that she's pinned down, we are going to move on to the final look, and there she is. Guys, this look was super easy, and I really love the way that it turned out. It's not my usual, but I'm really feeling it. So let me know what you guys think about this look. As I said, I bought everything that I used in the video at Dollar General, so be sure to check them out for all of your textured hair needs. Until next time.